Welcome back to the Anubis mask build, or the Stargate Anubis mask. And this is quite a while after I've actually completed this model. I've only recently got back to it to get to the stand and the finer detail on the kit. So I want to go over the testals that go on the side as well as the stand, how to prepare the stand. It's been an interesting build, it's been an easy build. I'll go over that at the end because it's a completion video as well, so showing the complete model. But basically you get your tassels that go on the side. They look like this once they're painted. Okay, so you get them like this. You need to cut them off the supports very carefully and sand them down. So you have a choice of either to use the full printed one, which looks like this when it's complete. So it's completely printed. Okay, because I actually think it might be a very hard material they used in the movie. So I'm providing the top mount section, which are these two, as an option. So if you want to maybe cut material and use the material instead of the plastic, then you have that option. Okay, and with that you need to prepare the head. Before I get there, I just want to go over the stand. It's going to have the hole going right the way through. So what you need to do, so you don't avoid when you pick it up, the thing sliding through the bottom, is take some plastic card. This is 3mm compressed plastic, and then just stick it on, cut it around the edge, and then just stick it on the same shape. So so it stops at the bottom. Okay. So getting back to these tassels, I did on the actual model itself, I made a little indentation where I judged the hole to be for this. So that is on this section. Unfortunately, it's actually not accurate. It should be lower down, because I had to sand the top of the tassel off, the so-called metal part, for it to fit underneath, because these ear bits are in the way. So if you're going to put it in the same spot I marked, then be prepared to sand down the tip. If not, make it lower. Okay, so as you can see, this is a complete body. It went together very well. I used milliput on the inside to reinforce it, and then I glued this shoulder bit on separately. It was a bit of a tight fit. You have to take it from the front and then push it in with the glue in and hold it by hand until it dries. Okay, so this is a complete body. So to put the whole thing together, you have your stand. That goes in. Oh, it should go in. Okay, so there it stands. As you can see, it slides. So that's why I say reinforce it. Okay. You have your ears, and move the camera up slightly. Make sure it's right. Okay, I'll come in more. So you have your, well, I think they might be ears. They just clip on. Okay, the paint mixes etc. I will put on the build document. And these go on with this, with the copper silver parts facing forward. Using his hole. And these, and then your head goes on. You can glue the head on if you want to. It's kind of loosish, so it's a possibility it might fall off. Okay, mine didn't chip the tip. Okay, so there it is, complete. I'll move the camera around. Okay, on the stand. Okay, so it's a very interesting looking sculpt. I like it, that's why I made it. So as I say, all the instructions will be in the build document, but it's pretty self-explanatory how it goes together. Some people might struggle with the painting. It's not difficult. If you can use an airbrush as well, I use airbrush. You do not need to, and powders. Okay, so if you have any questions, please ask me online. Until the next kit, this is the end of this one. Thanks, bye.